Rainy day today. Thought I'd show you my garden a little bit. It'll be a short video. Yes. It rained 2 to 3 inches. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Alrighty. Everything's wet. Wet, 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 wet. Things are starting to grow rapidly here. The green beans. Yeah, hold on a sec. The honeydews are coming along pretty good. This is a hydrangea, which I called hostas on my other video. I have trouble remembering the name hydrangea. All those three. This one I called it the same thing, but it's a hostas. And I called it a hydrangea. It's just my memory. Anyway, I looked it up and I'm going to try and remember. Hostas, and they both begin with the letter H. Yellow squash, doing good. Yes, strawberries. I think I should pick at least one of those. I see some back there as well. And there's another hostas. There's some carrots. There's cabbage from store-bought from the bottom edge of it. I've got one in the house too that I have to plant out here. Get it going. Hold on. There's my larger hostas, the biggest one that I have. I could make more cuttings from that. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Things are growing. Growing, growing, growing. Growing, growing, growing. Oh, yes. It's going to be a rainy week. And in the 60s and 70s. So I'm wearing my winter long sleeves.